All right, guys. Now, welcome back to the channel Smart Hustle YT. Now, on this particular video, what we are going to be considering on this particular one is how you are going to make money. Now, how do you make money on Telegram.io? You make money just the way you make money on normal Telegram monetization. Once your followers or your subscribers on your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, you can then assign them on Telegram.io, and Telegram.io will find people that will run adverts on that particular channel and in turn pay you for that. So in this video, we are going to look at how to do it. So make sure you stick around with me on this video, because I am not going to be teaching you the way others are teaching you. Just like I say, I am going to be coming down to teach you everything you need to know here. And if there is anything that is confusing you, you have my comment section, which you can just come to the comment section and ask me any question. Any relevant links is going to be in the description box. Make sure you like this video after watching it if you find it fancy, and subscribe to the channel. So let's go there, guys. Now, looking at the interface of Telegram.io, the first thing you need to look at is this button. You just toggle it to the right. If you toggle it to the right, it switches to channel owner. Now you are now a channel owner. You want people to run adverts on your own channel. Okay, so as you can see, a constant flow of orders for advertising on Telegram channel uploads. Okay, over 70,000 advertisers are ready to pay for your audience, for your Telegram audience. So that's very good. Okay, now just like I always tell you, after this, the next thing is after hovering around the website, of course, the first thing is signing up. Now when you click on sign up, remember there is something very important. Don't tell me that you have signed up as an advertiser that you will use the same information to log in as a channel owner. No, they are two different things. You must use a different email. Are you getting what I'm saying? You must use a different email to register as a channel owner, and an entirely different email to register as an advertiser if you don't want clustering. Those two accounts are different. They are very, very different. They are not the same. So if you register as an advertiser, don't begin to use the information to log in as a channel owner. It won't work. They won't even recognize you. So that is it. Now, remember, we are working with channel owner. So we click on continue. Okay, here you put your email and still put your Telegram username or phone number. So after that, they will prompt you on your Telegram to accept them. Then after accepting them, your account will be ready. They might not do that. They will send your information to your email. You can go there and authenticate it, and you have a full account. I know almost everybody can do that. All right, but if you cannot do that, you can leave that on the comment section, so that whenever I'm making a video like this again, I will show you guys plain and verbatim how to register on any platform I'm talking about. I will just register. You'll be seeing it. I will register before I start using it. I don't want to do that because I already have an account on this platform, and I haven't read completely their terms and condition, which under their terms and condition might be not to have, two accounts on the same device. So I don't want to be penalized. That's why I'm just teaching you guys how to register on it like this. Okay, guys, then after registering, just come to the page, still toggle this to here because we are talking about channel owner, isn't it? I've taught you guys how to advertise. Now we want to log in as a channel owner so that we'll start making money with this platform. So this is going to be mind blowing. I want you guys to just be with me. Now we click on login. Very good. Then we tap on here and put this email. This is my email for channel owner. Immediately I click on this, they are going to send a code to the particular email I use in registering. Remember, in this video, I'm teaching you how to make money with Telegram.io. That is, you are a channel owner and your channel has more than 1,000 followers or subscribers. So we want to start making money with it. So that is it. Let's go to my email. So from my email, as you can see, trying to log in. So let me copy this code, then head back to here. And let me click on this and paste, then I log in. Here I have logged in as a channel owner. Okay, now look at my interface, my channel owner, Telegram.io channel owner interface. Then look at my channel, which I have linked. You can link as many channels of your choice. Once you have many channels and those channels have at least 1,000 subscribers, you can link them here. Okay, now if you want to add a channel, as you can see, I have already added our Smart Hustle YT broadcast channel. But let's say I want to add another channel. I can click on here. So if I click on here, you put the link of that particular channel and make sure the channel you are talking about is a public channel. Once it's a private channel, it won't work. Just like I told you before, our broadcast channel, Smart Hustle YT channel, was a private channel before. But once I noticed this, I changed the channel to public channel. Right now, it's a public channel. All right. So you pick the link and just put it here. If you put it here, you click on I agree to terms and condition, right? And then click on verify. They are going to verify the channel. All right. After verifying the channel, they are going to add it on the home page. And after adding it, you are going to start seeing it here. All right. So there are many ways to set up a particular channel. You can set up your channel in such a way that it depends on the money you're going to be taking, because all these things are going to be laid out when you are putting on those channels. But the most important thing here is there is a place it will bring out. You set up what, let's say, for example, let me even do that. Let's say I am adding one of my channel, which I call test channel. So I can put t.me, all right, / all right, test for YouTube. I click on I agree and let's verify the account. All right, now this is it, guys. After you click on it, they're going to verify the account and be sure that the account exists. But remember what I told you guys, any account you want to use to start making money from must have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. If you don't know how to get those 1,000 subscribers, you can watch my former video of how to get, you know, followers to your channel, which I taught how to use Telegram to get it. But if it is stressful to you, you can just come to me and I will charge you a little fee and give you 1,000 subscribers on any channel within 24 hours. And that is organic and people that are concerned with whatever you are doing. My link is going to be in the description. Okay. So as our channel has been verified, you can upload any picture for this. All right. You can upload any picture for the channel. That is your own choice. Then you can put up the channel name here. You can name it any other thing you want, or you still name it the name of the channel. Let me say test. All right. So I leave it like that. Okay. And what I'm adding is a channel, not a group. You can still use group for this, as you can see. I can then put in keywords. What am I doing on those channel? Is it crypto? Is it forex? Is it betting? If it is crypto, I can just say crypto airdrop, because airdrop is crypto. So you just put the keywords of what you're doing so that when people come to advertise, they can see your channel faster. All right. Then you put in crypto trading here, or just remove this because they need minimum of 3 keywords. Just put trading. This is nice. All right. Then you select your team. Just search for cryptocurrencies. Then put it over here. Select your language. You can describe your channel. You can just say, let me just say this is a test channel. Do you get that? Or whatever you are doing on your channel, you can add it here. Okay. So that is it. You select your audience gender ratio, how many man to woman ratio you have in your channel. So just leave it at 50-50 and select on next. All right. So that is it. Now, after that, guys, this is now the place you're going to select how much you're going to be charging. Remember, I always advise you guys. If your channel is not up to 3,000 subscribers or 3,000 members, don't go above $1. In the former video I showed you guys my channel in the advertiser section. So some advertisers are now placing adverts on my channel and I'm making money. You understand that now? Now on that place, I selected $1. Why you are seeing $1.2 is that Elega.io, their charge is 2 cents. They charge 2 cents as, you know, their charge and give you every other thing. You get that? So that is it. Now look at how you do this. I can just select $1. If I select $1 here, they can just calculate others for me. You see, to $2. But this 1/24 hours means if somebody selected this, for you to, you know, as an option when the person wants to run an advert on your platform, this simply means 1 hour, 24 hours. 1 hour, you post the particular advert on you are going to be the one posting it. It's not like Telegram that is automatic. You are going to be the one to get the order and still post on your channel. I hope you are listening to me. So now this simply means you're going to post it and leave it for 1 hour without posting any other thing. After 1 hour, you can now post any other thing, but now don't delete it. Leave it for 24 hours while posting any other thing. The same thing with this. Leave it for 2 hours without posting any other thing below it. Okay, without seeing any other thing in that group. Just leave the advert for two hours. Then after 2 hours, you can then talk about any other thing you want to talk, but still leave this 48 simply means, but still leave that particular advert for 2 days. Some people can come to your channel and scroll right up. they can be checking your channel and see it. So once they see it in your feed, they can, they can engage with it. For me, what I normally do here is, because 2 and 48 hours is much, I put like $3 here. Here I put like let's say $9 or $6, as the case may be. Native, I might leave it at $3. And 7 days, you multiply 1 times 7, I can leave it at $6 or let's say $7. And forward, I can just leave it like that. Okay. Then after that, you see this place, you have discount. If another person have taken, have given an order for you before, all right, forwards, let me leave it at 2. All right. So for this place, if a person, what this simply means, this discount on repeat orders, if a person have taken an order from you before, if the person wants to take the next order, this says that you will be giving the person 20% discount on your money. So if the person took $3 before, all right, and wants to take another advert that is $3, Telega.io platform is gonna be slashing automatically 20% of $3, and he will be charged the rest. Let's say it's $1 now. 20% of $1 is 2 cents. So the person will now be charged on his second order 8 cents. Do you understand that? So that is it. If you don't need it, you can toggle it off. All right. If you need it, you can toggle it on and select how many percent you need. You can select 10%. You can select 15, but the best is 20. It is very okay. Then after that, you click on next. Okay, so here you can just tell them the nature of your subscribers, okay, how you got them, success, and the rest of that. And this is very optional, we don't need that. So we click on change, save changes. All right, so this is it. You see, so it says invalid format, because why it's saying this is that this particular channel is not up to 1,000 subscribers. I can tell you that this link is correct, but the channel is not up to 1,000 subscribers. But I have taught you guys how to do this. So if you get everything right and you are up to 1,000 subscribers, okay, this will definitely work. It will not say invalid format. So after that, your channel will be added. And within few hours or few minutes, you will receive your first order, just like I received. I received my first order and did it, and I was awarded with $3. And let me tell you my experience with it. They first sent me the order. Okay, when they send you the order, you're going to see where you have requirements. Requirement is where they tell you exactly what to do. But this first order they sent to me, they did not give me any requirements. So I was confused. I checked everywhere on the internet. I searched everywhere on how to perform this job on Telega.io. I didn't see anything. I even chatted the customer care from here. All right. But the customer care takes like 5 hours to respond to you. And the time of that particular, because they give a specific time, and once the time is over, they will take out that advert and transfer it to another person. And I have just 3 hours to do this, because they give me the link of what I'm to promote. I just copied the link. First of all, paste it somewhere and study what I was seeing there. After some time, I just took the link and paste on the general group. Then, after pasting it, you will have a space where you are going to be putting your proof. And one of the proof they're going to be giving you there is the link to what you posted. Let me teach you guys how to get the link of anything you post. All right, so on my phone now is our general Telegram channel. So remember I told you guys in one of my videos that I deleted that particular advert post because the time allocated was over. I think they gave me 48 hours. So after 48 hours, I deleted. But I never remembered I will still make a video on it. I would have left it. But let's just use any post to make an example. Let's take, for example, this particular one we have by calculation. So when you tap on it, all right, you're going to see a lot of things. But look at this place you have copy link, you tap on it. So the link to this particular post has been copied. Anybody you send it to, once the person clicks it, it will direct the person's thread to this particular post, not this channel. It will direct the person exactly to this particular post. So that is the link you're going to get and then put on the space where they told you that, you need to insert the link to the post you made. And after that, you click on, done. So you wait for the advertiser to approve it. And once the advertiser approves it, $3 or the amount you charged will be awarded on your balance from here. So that is it, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this on the comment section. If there is still any other thing you would like me to teach you, drop it on the comment section. And if you have more questions over this, you can still drop it on the comment section. Okay, all right, so that is it. See you guys on my next video. As for now, bye bye.